Hey guys, today we have a new package. It is the First Alert Vortex smoke alarm, which is a American Census rebrand. So, yeah, let's unbox it. I gotta pause for this part, but I'll be back. Okay, so we got the wiring harness, the manual, police manual, the battery that expired in 2015, and the actual alarm itself. So, yeah, let's just, get rid of that. I'm gonna keep that. And then we have the alarm. Let me just, hold on. Okay, so we got one screw. I don't even know if that's, like, supposed to come with it or not, but, now let's get the unit off of its bracket. Okay. Now, this unit was manufactured in October. Ooh. Another October 20th alarm. Oh, this one was made in 2009. And my PI 9000, my Nighthawk PI 9000 was made in November 20th, 2009. 2000. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. And then we have just the alarm, the photoelectric sensor right there. And where's the ionization sensor? The ionization sensor somewhere in there. I'm pretty sure it's right there. So, yeah. That's all for today. Bye. Have a good day.